Hi guys, so today I am unboxing a mystery box from Spidershop. When I got this parcel I had lost my voice, so I thought I'd do a voiceover. So that was me just checking the heat pack was still warm, which it was. Spidershop's always good for heat packs. That was my springtails. That was, yep, you read it right, a six-legged Chilobrachys Natana carob. Then we've got juvenile Aphonopelma gabelli. I'm crap with saying names. I do apologise. And last but not least, there should be... I had to go digging to find it. There we are. The D. excellis. I would say the right name, but I am crap, so I will put in captions. I was just checking to make sure there was nothing else in the box, which there wasn't. And then we'll get on to rehousing. So I rehoused the gabelli and totally forgot to even press record on the phone. So we're just going to rehouse the two smaller ones. Unfortunately, I didn't notice my camera angle was off, so I'm afraid for this video you're stuck with this view. I do apologise. So that's me just putting in my compost mixture. I use a mixture of compost with sphagnum moss in it and topsoil and a little cocoa fibre and some vermiculite. I only put a wee bit of vermiculite in just due to the sphagnum moss already being through the compost. That was me just putting in little houses, well, little hides. Wee bit extra moss just to make sure that they're getting a drink, because I couldn't find the water bowls at the precise time. But I have put water bowls in now and took that moss out. Just gave it a little water. I'm pushing it down to make sure that it was actually touching the soil. Wee bit of greenery. Just in case I didn't want to use the hide, they could use that to hide under. First one we've got to rehouse is a DXXLS. This was like the tiniest spiderling. Like, I've got tinier, but it was just so cute. So this, I'm sure, is the Brazilian bronze, Cuban bronze. That can't be the Cuban bronze. I'll put it in the captions. And that was it in. No, it decided it wanted to go for a walk. So I was having a hard time trying to get him to go in. He was just going everywhere else. So I got the lid and that helped me put him in. Just double checking that it was definitely in there. Sometimes I'm my own worst enemy, and when I open the tub to the Caribbean Versicolor, that just comes out and it's running all over you. Like, there is no stopping it. The minute he knows that he's getting food, he's out. This is the six-legged Chileobrachys nantac natanacarum. For those of you who know my previous story, I did have an OBT with 3 legs, and I've had it molten, and it's got all its legs back now. So I thought, 6 legs, this is going to be a really easy challenge. And this was another one who just did not want to stay in the pot. So he went for a wee run around the desk. These tiny wee pots are absolutely fantastic for spiderlings. That was me just showing that I'd caught them in a tub of soil. So I picked them up using the spiderling tub. Just gave it a couple of wee taps. That was me just quickly getting the lid for that pot. He was determined he was not going in, but he finally went in. Spiderlings are the most troublesome. But if you like this video, please like, follow and subscribe. And